Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change image quality on the Samsung Galaxy A3. Image quality, you have to go into camera, tap on the settings button, go into picture size. In here you can see the image quality on the right side. This is the resolution of the image. The higher the resolution, the higher the quality. You can do the same for videos. The options are separate for the rear camera and the front camera. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.